I just want to know. Anyway, we deposited our 5 years or 6 years for our graduation and post graduation. Again, why we have to spend our 5 more years for the research? Before entering into a particular field, we have to know what we have to do, because time is very important in our life, right? So let us just go through the past 1 week newspaper. What is the relevance of research? Okay, so this is the thing I just want to tell you. Research is very, very important, especially in the biotechnology, microbiology, zoology, whatever in the life science field. Because we know what happened in 2009, 2020, and 21. Okay, this pandemic situation shows that research is very, very important. And you all know that COVID virus, coronavirus, mucormycosis, fungus. Then again, the today's newspaper is this. That is in the today's newspaper, you have read about the fleo virus. Okay, in Nagaland. Okay, and other one, the AY1 variant. So you all are, I think you all are from the biological background or life science background, so you know about little bit about biology. But last 1 year or 1 year back, you know that the common people are also using the term RT-PCR, antigen test, immunoassays, and all. Whether they know anything about this RT-PCR, immunoassay, and antigen test and all, no. But they are, because they want to know that thing. Otherwise, if the result test is, I mean, test result is negative, they are happy. If it is positive, they are very sad, because corona positive is not a good condition. Hope you all are safe in this pandemic situation. And you heard about the vaccines. Different trials are carrying out on this vaccine. Means vaccine trials are going on. Third trial is going on. Bharat Biotech, Serum Institute, ICMR, and all. So many funded agencies. US is giving so much money to India for the research. Then now G7 is going on. There, from there also, G7 countries are giving so much fund to India for the research. Our Narendra Modi sir is also went for the G7 conference, and he also asking more fund for the research, because we have so many facilities and we are utilizing that facilities, and we are using all the methods how to solve these issues. So I think you all know about the coming chances of research. And if you are a background of post graduation, I'm telling you, you definitely go to research field. Don't go to here and there for the research. Go to a particular field. You should know some goal, then only you are, means you are, anyway you are spending your five more years for the research. I'm not telling you within 2 years you can complete a research in biological science. It will take 5 years, 4 to 5 years. So you just make it or utilize it in a proper way, like proper institute, proper way, and proper topic, everything properly utilize it, and after that a bright future is there for you guys. So now I think you have a clear idea about what next. If you are from the biological field, botany field, zoology field, microbiology field, whatever it is, you have a vast opportunity in research field. Okay, so research, first of all, I just want to tell you briefly about what is research. Research is of two types. Okay, after the topic, you should know about what is research. That is very important, because competitive exams are mainly for the research, right? So academic research, industrial research, two categories we can classify research. Academic research is mainly for the higher studies, that is postdoc fellowship. So many things are there. If you want to go abroad also, there are so many what fellowships is there. Have you seen in this Times job, everything it is posted there. Now you can go to the Switzerland, you can go to America, you can go to Germany for the postdoc fellowship. So many things are there. Then job opportunities means mainly they are focusing on the research scientist or assistant professors. So in 2021 onwards, it is very compulsory. You all know that CSIR is very, CSIR, not only CSIR, NET is very important. Without NET, you are not allowed to enter into the college as an assistant professor or a lecturer also. Guest lecture post also, they are making it compulsory. And project fellows also. If you go to a very good institutes like IISc, IIT, NITs, or any institutes like biotech, NCBS, wherever you are going, you should have a valid GATE or net score. It is very, very important. And if you don't want to go for a this type of research or academic or government field, you are planning that you will get more, you can earn more from the private sector. Industrial research is also very good. Have you heard about that Bharat Biotech? Now it is very famous. So many industrial research work is there, so many entrepreneurship programs they are introducing. Now ICMR, our Kerala government, is also introducing so many fellowships and programs. Okay, so for industrial research, small scale industry, large scale industry, and all, there also R&D wing is there. In that wing, you can join as a research scientist instead of joining a technical assistant or technician post. You can join as a research scientist, and believe me, it's very good role compared to government scientist post and government salary. That post is very, very good, and you will get a very good salary, and you can go to foreign countries for your development, for your means higher knowledge, whatever it is. You can, they will give you that type of things. Okay, so it is very, very important that you have to clear the CSIR, means not CSIR, you have to clear your research from the proper institute. These kind of people, have you heard about that Biocon and all? They those people are searching for good scientists. Okay, because they want the scientists from different good institutes, because that institutes are doing quality of work, and they are handling so many equipments. They know how to solve the problems. The scientists main issues, the main what is their main work? They have to solve the issues, right? Now coronavirus have come, you have to analyze the sequence, and you have to analyze the vaccine, you have to model the vaccine. So that type of work is there. So a scientist is the only person who is doing those type of work. Doctors are giving medicines, and doctors are treating people, but they are not going for the what vaccine production. They are not going for the sequencing work. They are not going for the to find from where it is origin. And have you heard about last 2 days? It was the news that from where it origin. China is telling it is from the animals, and so many proofs are there. It is, they are telling that it is not from the animals. Some sequence that is present in the spike protein that shows that it is a biogenetic engineering product of product like that. So this is not, this kind of work is happening in the industrial research. Okay, they are thinking that we have to produce more, so we have to give more, and we have to do more work like that. So the chance is there, and very good opportunity is there, so you can explore your maximum knowledge in there. Whatever you want, you can do there. Okay, so research is very good important. So foundation is the best thing, because you know that a tree is coming from the root. Okay, a tree is standing from its root only, it is not from the stem, or it is means the full strength is from the root. So the research is the strength of an industrial research wing or R&D wing. So you have to do some proper research from a proper institute. That is very, very important. Okay, so in India, we have so many institutes. Okay, to do our research, we have to search our passion first. We have to analyze where I want to do my research, and where I will, if after completing this research, what should I do? Where should I go? And what is next? Like that, you have to prepare after post graduation. You have to prepare your mind, because I saw so many people after post graduation, after PhD, they are searching for the job. Again, they are searching for the job, and they are not getting a proper job, because they had done their post graduation from some universities, some deemed universities, and also they have done their PhD from some other deemed universities. And the deemed university, the main problem is the fund is very less, and their work, the quality of work is very less, and means very poor work is work they are doing. So what is the problem is, there the result is very poor. If you go for an interview, they will definitely see your CV, and in that CV they will ask you, okay, what work you have done in this project, what work you have done in particular PhD work and all. So that is very, very important. But if you go for this type of government institutes, funds are more. See, ICMR, now it is so much funds are available in ICMR to do so many projects. Okay. In NIV, National Institute of Virology, you heard about here, Kerala, one NIV is there in Alapi. So there also so many works are going on. They are also, our government also planning to support that NIV branch, and so many things are happening. So you have to choose your workplace first. And before starting every competitive exam, I personally am telling you, you have to choose a particular lab. Okay, imagine I'm working in a particular lab and I'm working as a scientist in that particular lab, then everything will be happy. Okay, so let me introduce first CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. There are 44 institutes are there. You have to choose any of the institute. If you want to go for research, please choose any of this institute because the funds are more here. And then second one is DBT, Department of Biotechnology. 14 institutes are there, and Department of Science and Technology, 20 institutes are there. Indian Council of Medical Research, 22 institutes are there. Regional Medical Research Institutes, 5 institutes are there. And ICR, if you are coming from a botany background or biology, microbiology, whatever it is, you can choose for one this ICR institute. So many institutes, almost one, not one institutes are there in our country. So agriculture universities, Tata Institute of Research, Fundamental Research. Just before I show you one paper cutting here, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and NCBS in Bangalore. Here you can see research are going on. Research must follow. So funds are there. So if you want to do PhD in particular institute, you just crack this some exams like CSIR, NET, GATE, whatever it is, and you go there and explore your knowledge and explore your ability, and the success will be there definitely. Okay. And IISc, Indian Institute of Science, that is one of the very good institute. And for this institutes, you have to follow some exams like Junior Research Fellowship Program for DBT, they will call for, and Junior Research Fellowship for CSIR, UGC, ICMR. Recently they called for the application, so you can apply. If anybody is not applied for that exam, please apply it. And DST, and yes, Women Scientist A DST. If you are a lady or a female candidate about 27 years, you can apply. If you completed your MSc, you can apply for Women Scientist A scheme and you can complete your PhD with this fellowship. And Women Scientist Scheme B DST is there. That is for the PhD candidates. And Junior Research Scholarship, that Lady Tata Memorial Trust, they are giving fellowships. So what is the use of fellowship means? I know all completed your PG with some means some sort of help from your parents' side, but PhD is not like that. PhD means you have to go for collection of sample, you have to publish paper, you have to do so many lab work. Sometimes reagents from we have to buy from our pocket. Sometimes tour expenses we have to take from our pocket, and along with that, a fees is there. Okay, every year a fees is there. So after 23 or 24 years, if again you are asking your parents for supporting, it is not so good. Not only parents for whom you are supporting, asking, it is not so good. But if you clear any of this exam, I guaranteed you are getting for 5 years 25 lakhs rupees. Okay, for doing your PhD, they are giving, our government is giving 25 lakhs rupees, almost 25 lakhs rupees for doing your PhD work. It's not for doing any job and all, for your one degree, PhD degree work. Okay, so use that money and use your work, and along with that, if you are going into a good institute, they also have some funds. Okay, so you don't want to take money for the reagents, you don't want to take money for the tour, you don't want to take money for the publications, everything they will support you. If your work is good, different industries, industrial peoples will come there and they will catch you soon. So don't worry, and you will get a very good contact also. Contact is very, very important. Okay, so make a good network. Okay, while you are doing PhD or while you are doing PG, make a good network and use that network for your growth. So if some people are there, they want to do their PhD or their work in abroad. Is that possible with your own stipend. Yes, you have to clear some exams, you have to take some grants. Okay, otherwise it is so expensive, like more than 10 to 15 lakhs they are asking for doing PhD. So it is very tough sometimes. So you have to clear some exams and they will give you a salary like fellowship. Okay, that is not small amount, that is also a big amount. So you can use that amount and you can go there, explore there, and you can study from there, whatever you want you can do there. Okay, so that type of exams like TWAS and RF DAD, then EMBO, AIMS, NIH, IFC, CAR, USIEF, different types of exams are there. So if you want to go abroad, you just clear some of the exams like GRE, basic exams are there. You know that thing, GRE, IELTS, PTE, whatever it is, you just clear. Along with that, you try for this type of fellowships also. And if you are getting this type of fellowship, you are so lucky that you can do your work in outside India with a good collaboration work in Indian Institute also, Indian institutes also. Okay, so this is the thing. So, so now I think you all know about the importance of competitive exams, because in your class, maybe while doing MSc, maybe below 20 people were there. And among you people itself, now competition is there. After completion of your PG, you people are competing each other among this 20 people. Okay, I will get a job first. Who will get a job first? The first rank holder or the last bencher will get a job first. Like that, the competition is there. Like that, your college is not a single college in India. There are so many people are passed out in every year, so they all are searching for a job. And here this competitive exam is mainly conducting for the smart people, smart work with little bit hard work. Okay, if you put your smart work in along with your hard work, for 2 3 months you can win this competitive exam. So these are the exams. I already explained you about this exams, and these exams you can clear, and you can get into a good, very good institute. After interview, you can get into a very good institute, and you can see the difference between your college lab and that institute lab. Okay, if you go to virology institute, you can see so many things. That is, you never you I don't know, while doing PG, how many of you have done the RT-PCR or PCR and all. Okay, so if you go to this type of institute, you can do your that type of work. Okay, and here I'm mainly focusing. CSIR is very important, that we will discuss later. So here I'm mainly focusing CSIR, ICAR, ICMR, IISc, ACSIR. Everything are same pattern, not same pattern. Everything's the same syllabus almost. And CSIR is the most toughest exam among the others. And other one is GATE. GATE is little bit different, because if you clear GATE, if you are a BTech candidate, if you want to do MTech plus integrated PhD, you can do it in IISc, IITs and all. Okay, or else after completing PG also, if you clear GATE exam, you can get into different institutes. Now almost every institute they are taking GATE people, because the fellowship they are giving same as CSIR, and you can go to different institute. And GATE is little bit easy for the technical side people like BTech, MTech people. It is little bit easy, and others also. Now GATE had started new stream called life science, so it is also easy for them. So I will just briefly explain you about GATE. GATE means graduate aptitude test in engineering. Okay, so this is mainly for the engineering people. The common people mind, it is thinking that okay, only engineers can pass this exam. No, it is not like that. Anybody can pass this exam, because for biotechnologies, for life science, they are starting new stream, that is life science, and biotechnology also is there. Biotechnology mainly for the engineering people, life science is mainly for the focusing for the all category people. Okay, so graduate aptitude test in engineering, that is national, it is a national level examination, you all know that. Undergraduate subjects in engineering, technology, architecture, postgraduate, so many categories are there, or means almost 27 subjects are there conducting exam, but we have to focus on mainly two subjects, right? So what is the relevance of the choose. Why you have to choose a GATE exam? GATE cutoff score is very important for the admission of MTech programs in IIT and NIT. Without GATE, you cannot enter into IIT and NIT. I think nowadays it is very much important for the state universities also. They are also asking for the this type of GATE exams. Okay, to secure a job in a public sector undertaking such as IOCL, Bell, Bark, qualifying GATE is mandatory. Okay, so if you want to go any work like technician post and technical assistant post or whatever, like apprentice post, also now they are asking for the GATE exam. Bell also asking for the GATE exam. Okay, so about the exam pattern, that is, it is very simple. Actually, the life science first I am explaining. That is, general aptitude is there for 15 marks and subject question from 85 marks. Okay, so chemistry is compulsory for this subject plus 60 marks from your subject. That is biology, life science, whatever it is. Okay, so total 100 marks question. So see, only 15 marks aptitude. It is not so tough. Like CSIR exam also, 15 question you have to answer aptitude. Like that GATE exam also now they are changing the pattern to aptitude only 15 marks. So it is easy for you guys. And chemistry is not so tough. Chemistry means simple chemistry. Whatever you studied in your PG is not in PG, in your that +2 level or first graduation level also little bit biochemistry, chemistry things you are studying. Now, that only they are asking. And next one is BT, biotechnology. That is there also you can see general aptitude is there, and that is mainly for the engineering people. So engineering mathematics is there for them. The engineering mathematics is very simple, and this engineering mathematics is, don't consider this engineering mathematics is integration, differentiation type questions are they are asking. No, it is not like that. It is basic questions only they are asking. And subject questions is there, 72 marks subject questions total. 100 marks is there, and in this subject questions they are asking more about bioprocess engineering, fermentation, the biochemical engineering, like that questions they are adding their application level question. That's why this is a little bit tough for the non BTech students or non technical students. Okay, technical background students. So total time duration is 3 hours. Okay, hope you all understood what is GATE exam and what is the relevance and what are the other exams also. Okay, so this is the code for the GATE exam. You can choose any of the stream, any optional sections is there. That is, if you are coming from biochemistry, you can choose biochemistry, botany, about S is there, microbiology is there, zoology is there, and along with that a compulsory chemistry is also there, plus 15 marks aptitude questions is there. So hope you all understand about the GATE exam, because nobody knows that, means somebody don't know till GATE is added life science. Okay, also along with their stream. So life science is there. It is like similar to the CSIR exam, but chemistry is an additional subject in that somewhat. So this is the biotech. For BT, it is this engineering mathematics. I told you it is very easy. Numerical methods, probability, differential equation, calculus, linear algebra. That is also easy now. After completing BTech and MTech, those people, it is very simple. And general biotechnology is there. It is not so tough also. Along with that, some questions they will ask from genetics, fundamentals, bioprocess, biochemical, and all. Okay. So, how you have to prepare for this exam? Easy. First, you have to know about the pattern, GATE pattern, and know about the syllabus. That is very important. Usually, with out of syllabus questions, they won't ask. Okay, in from the syllabus only, they are asking every question. So you have to take a printout of the syllabus, and you just understood what is the syllabus of that GATE, and exam pattern also you should analyze and solve previous year question paper, because GATE is continuously asking previous year question paper. Almost 70% of the questions are from the previous years, and prepare a timetable for this exam and set up some goals, like I have to go in this institute. After clearing the GATE score, I will get admission, PhD admission in IASE. Okay, and you just go their site and search last year what was the GATE score, and I just want to go to ICMR, I just want to go to ICAR institute. You just search there if GATE is valid and what was the last score, the last year's score. Okay, like that you just search it and you just try to get that score. Okay, and do your PhD work in your loved institute. Okay, so before winding up, I just want to tell you one thing. There is an old story is there. When a shark in a fish tank will grow only 8 inches, but in an ocean it will grow 8 feet or more. So the shark never outgrow its environment, and the same is true about you. Many times we were around small thinking people, so we don't grow. Change your environment and watch your growth. So, why I told this is I showed you. First slide, I showed you some newspaper cuttings, and now you are reading those newspaper. Okay, after your research, after your PhD in your particular area, in particular institute, in particular field, make sure that the next news is yours. Like you find out something like that mRNA new type of vaccine is find out by this person, like that you can do it. Because every success person's behind every success person there is a story like you. Okay, so you just be that I will do it in the step. Okay, you just be in that step, that is the next step is a success. So don't be in the last step like I can't do it. So very all the best to everyone.